Flea market parts swap meet. Down with the show. See what they got to offer.
Yeah, I hope they do like the end of May or something like that.
I know the people that deal in that.
Yeah, I got a 39 O's parts car.
$40. Good price, 56 Chevy.
The highest car count I sold. I got a 38, 39 double A, and there's small parts between that change between them.
The only real difference between the two is
'Any Pontiacs? Chevys, Mopars. Torino. Shelby. Mustang convertible. Set of wrenches.
sometimes you can't help it.
Four-inch bolt pattern. Nice tires. Black airplanes.
I think I got that whole show field in about half an hour. Oh, okay. There's Mike.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
How's the trains?
Dreamgoatinc.
Here you go. Got a card today.
Subscribe.
Yeah, thumbs up. Is this 65 or
That would be 68.
68? Oh, okay, it's got the marker lights. I should have saw that. And the taillights are different. Nice. $27,500 convertible 68 Mustang 302. Looked to be the original engine. J code